Good evening, ma'am. I'm Diana Rose Abiara, and I'll be discuss laboratory equipment, which is Erlenmeyer Flask. Erlenmeyer po is like this po, like that. And Erlenmeyer Flask, also known as conical flask, a titration flask is a type of laboratory flask which features a flat bottom, conical body, and a cylindrical neck. It is named after the German chemist Emil Erlenmeyer in 1825 to 1909, who created it in 1860. Additional po, Erlenmeyer flask have wide bases and narrow neck. It differs from the beaker in its tapered body and narrow neck. The mouth of the Erlenmeyer flask may have beaded lip that can be stopped or covered. So, yung ano daw po, yung pag ganun po nung Erlenmeyer flask is, yun po yung parang parang mapa-stop po yung mga liquid na nilalagay, ganun po. Tapos, ang proper usage po ng Erlenmeyer flask are used to contain liquids and for mixing, heating, cooling, incubation, filtration, storage, and other liquid handling processes. They also used for storing chemicals and solution. Proper handling po of Erlenmeyer flask, such as wash Erlenmeyer flask before it is first used. So, lilinisan muna daw po yung Erlenmeyer flask bago po siya gamitin. Take time to inspect glassware before use. So, kailangan po na pong tingnan kung may basag or may konting crack para po iwas aksidente. Ganun. Never use excessive force to connect the rubber hose or tubbing. Dispose of broken or defective glassware safely. So, kapag basag na daw po yung Erlenmeyer flask or other pong glassware na gagamitin sa laboratory, hindi na daw po siya dapat gamitin. Dapat na po siyang itapon. Ganun. Never use excessive force to fit rubber bands into the neck of a piece of glassware. Avoid using styrene rods with sharpness as this can weaken the glassware. So, yung mga, like, yung mga gunting or knife po, dapat hindi daw po siya ginagamit nilalapit po sa mga glassware kasi baka po yun ay maging cause pa po para mababasag po yung yung mga glassware na equipment sa laboratory. Always heat glassware gently and gradually to avoid sudden temperature changes which may cause the glass to break due to thermal shock. Tapos, the last po is the proper storage of Erlenmeyer flask. Number 1, store in an enclosure. Dapat po daw yung Erlenmeyer flask is lalagay mo po siya halimbawa sa cabinet, ganun. Tapos, number 2, level cup gourds. Number 3, logical storing. Number 4, arrange by location. So, dapat po halimbawa po yung Erlenmeyer flask, dapat po magkakasama po sila. Dapat dun lang po sila sa isang place. Maintaining room temperature, avoiding risk, and the lastly is store according to type. So, yun lang po yung coverage ng ng reporting ko po about Erlenmeyer flask. Thank you.